Guys, it's your boy back here with another cooking video. Now today we'll be trying out the most delicious chocolate cake that you will probably ever taste in your life. Now this is a Brazilian cake, that's what it's just called. So what you'll need is some chocolate cake mix. I got the Betty Cooker mix. And then you can find the ingredients that you'll need on the back, but I'll just list them over here. So you need 3 eggs, 1¼ cup of milk, but I just used this humongous mug. And then you have ½ cup of oil, and that's it for the cake. But then you'll need 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and then condensed milk. That's for the sauce that we're gonna put on top. Now let's start with the eggs. I'm not very good at making eggs, so yeah. Crack it. 1 egg down, I guess. We'll just put that there, and then okay, I guess this egg then. This makes a lot of mess, as you can see over here. What is this? An actual egg crack. So, and then after we've added the eggs, I'll just wash my hands and be right there to. Okay guys, so now we add a little sprinkle of salt. So that helps raise up the volume. So just a little. That's it. Let's add a little more. That's it. And now we have this mixer over here. We'll mix up until. Oh, okay, I did not expect that. So make sure to mix it in one direction until like the volume raises up a little bit. So just keep mixing. And we'll just set that aside. Yeah. Now we get our milk, and then we'll just pour it in there. And then we get our oil, and then we'll put it in there. Now we get this kind of golden mix, which is a good sign. Then we get our mix, and then we'll just put it all, I think. Oops. Just make sure you don't make a mess. Here. This will just make this easier. Now that we've put this whole thing, we'll just throw this in the bowl. So now we mix this whole golden mix with the cake mix. Now I know it seems like a great idea to lick this or whatever, but please don't. Please don't eat raw cake batter. So now we just put it there. Make sure you have preheated the oven, and we'll just pour it in there, and I'll be back to make the sauce. One more thing, guys, so you have to fill it up till half, and make sure they're painted or covered with oil so it does not stick, because if it sticks, that's a horrible mistake. So yeah, هنسرع الحتة دي ما تقلقيش. I'm ready to put these in the oven, so just have the thing at 350 degrees. Guys, so right now we're making the sauce. Now what you have to do is have a pan on, and then just pour all of the condensed milk can, and then have the cocoa that we made earlier into there, and now we just stir. Now have it cooking on low heat. Make sure the sauce has not burned up. As you can see here, we beginning to have some sauce over here. This smells really good right now. As you can see, it looks starting to look like chocolate, and you can use the same recipe to make some chocolate bars. Maybe I could make a video on that too. Comment down below. If we get 10 likes on this video, I'll make a video of how to make a chocolate bars. So after we've gotten the cake out of the oven, we're gonna put the sauce that we've made. This already looks delicious enough. Okay, now so we've put on the sauce on the cake, and now we're gonna decorate them with some chocolate chips. And that's one done. Put them in the fridge. And then the other one, I'll be more specific, I guess. Okay guys, so it's out of the fridge right now. Now it doesn't really matter how long you put it in the fridge, but this looks amazing. I mean, my sister had a little bit of a bite over here, so I'll be tasting it right now. She says it's amazing, but you can never really trust your siblings. Okay, this looks amazing. The best chocolate cake I've ever tasted in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.